Today I am going to prepare masala chicken. For preparing the chicken recipe, first clean the chicken. After that, add these ingredients for marination. It's 1 spoon ginger garlic paste. It depends on the quantity, how much you are preparing. For me, it's 500 grams, so I am keeping 1 spoon. Add 1 spoon salt, one spoon coriander powder, chicken masala, two and a half spoon curd. Yeah, don't forget to add lemon juice. It's very important because it will make the chicken very smooth and soft. You'll feel the yummy thing. Don't use much. That much is sufficient. Add pinch of kasturi methi. Add oil. This much is sufficient. Add soy sauce. Add coriander leaves and keep it for 1 hour, and overnight will be better. Chicken marination is done. We kept it for 1 hour. We didn't take much time, so it's fine. And 3 tablespoon mustard oil, 2 tomato, 3 onions, half capsicum, 1.5 spoon ginger garlic paste, 3 chilies, 2 cloves, 1 spoon jeera, this is methi and this is kasturi methi, and butter. If you need butter then it's fine, otherwise if you are not using butter that is also fine, it's not a problem. This is chopped ginger and garlic, bay leaf, garam masala sticks. This is fine. So we are ready to prepare chicken masala now. I already heated the pan. Now I'm going to put 2 tablespoon mustard oil. Don't use much because we all are health conscious now. We are ready to put our ingredients now. First add cloves. Then cardamom, this is for good smelling, it will smell nicely. Methi and jeera, butter. Now we'll keep everything one by one. Chopped ginger garlic, garam masala stick, we'll break it. And we'll stir it until it becomes golden brown. Adjust the flame. it started smelling, so I can put onions now. And before onions, we'll put chili. Oil soon and fry it until it becomes golden brown. We can cover with the lid also, we can keep it open also. It depends on person by person. So we'll wait until it becomes golden brown. And bay leaf I can add now. Add ginger garlic paste, so it will fry with onion. Cover it with a lid. I kept it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now onion becomes golden brown. You can see it's golden and it's boiled properly. So I'm ready to put capsicum and tomatoes. We'll fry it until tomatoes are boiled. Now we'll add all the masala powders. Turmeric powder, coriander powder 1 spoon, 1 spoon chicken masala powder, 1 tablespoon. Now I didn't put 1 tablespoon. Later while preparing gravy I'll put that kasturi methi. Now we'll fry it for a while. Let it fry. Cover it with the lid for 5 minutes. We are done with the tomato. It's fried properly. Wow, I'm getting nice smell. Now once half spoon chili, don't put much. It's not good for health. Fry it for 10 to 15 seconds. Let it mix in full gravy. Yeah, we are done now. Now add chicken in that. Mix it well. add half spoon soya sauce, not half spoon, 1/4 soya sauce you can add. Soya sauce we will use mostly for Chinese dishes, but for Indian dishes also we can use soya sauce. It will change the taste of the dish. So you can see the color, it's a bit reddish now, and smell also it's proper. We'll add rest of the kasturi methi now. Mix it well again. Cover it with a lid and keep it for at least 15 to 20 minutes or more than that, depends on the quality of the chicken. Add coriander leaves, it will smell good. Don't use water. First chicken should release the water. So we are done with our 15 minutes, 20 minutes. We'll check it once it's done or not. See how nicely it released the water. I didn't add any water in this. We'll taste it. It will take another 10 minutes. We are ready to serve. Now we'll separate it in a bowl and we'll serve. So how you're feeling? Craving for chicken? Pinch of butter, it will spread it. Pinch of butter I kept. Chicken prepared by us. Hope so you all are feeling like having the chicken. So if you like the video, please like, subscribe and share.